Doms, what are you doing? Doms, what are you doing, buds? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, good mornings. You're not really a morning kitty, are you? You're not. You're not. You don't like to be touched in the morning. You get upset. Looks like the snow gods brought us some snow after having everything pretty much melted off. Alright, before I can start this next project, I need to head down to my local Princess Auto, which is just a hop, skip, and a jump away, to pick up an ammo can that they had on sale at the time for $19.99. Well, I got everything I needed from Princess Auto, but one cannot just go to Princess Auto and come out with what you want, because they put these little bargain tables sometimes when you first walk in. Make some impulse buys. So I got a 3-inch gear puller, regularly $10, on sale $4.06. Picked up another one, regularly $12.99, on sale $5.06. Can never have too many gear pullers. And then hex key set, because I don't have a full set anymore. Less than half price. The old power fister. So that was $45 spent, but not gone to waste. I got so many hex keys, but not a full set. So I'll probably be good to go for another year till I lose some more. Alright everybody, this is Jerry from BackCountry Wrenching. Now, inside the garage, you can see all the parts that I got assembled here. I got a burner, 50 caliber ammo case, and I got some lava rocks. So you can understand what I'm doing. And the beauty about this case right here is that the top just slides right off. So it is no surprise over the past few years that we've been having fire bans in the area. Especially in the summertime, anywhere from about mid-June to middle of September. That has been the growing trend. It sucks not being able to have a fire when you're out camping. A few years we were able to cross into the BC border and have a fire there because the fire restrictions were in Alberta. However, last year that was not the case. It's been spread into both. So in this video, if you haven't already figured it out, we are building a 50 caliber DIY fire pit for your overland adventures. The ammo case was on sale at Princess Auto for $19.99. This is the DIY propane burner. I shouldn't say DIY, it's just a propane burner. So basically this is going to fit in there. Then I got the stainless mesh that is left over from the rocket stove. Once I get the burner installed, I'm going to take the wire mesh, cut it, bend it, put it over top, and then with the lava rock, cover the top of the burner, and then this DIY project should be good to go. So the back of the burner has a threaded hole for a bolt, which is going to work out good because inside the ammo case it's kind of raised. So I'm going to drill the hole, fit it up, line it up for here, drill the holes for there, drop it down, and then see if I can find some bolts or something for that. So it's looking like 2 1/4. It's gonna be my hole size. This is gonna actually work out good because we're gonna mount it. So just like such. Line her up right there. I'll try this one. This is the Milwaukee Hole Dozer. That was easy enough. Alright, thread that in there. There we are. Only thing that's left to do is put the lava rock in. And then this is your propane regulator hose that you would just thread on when you want to use it. So then transport wise, let's put everything back in the case. That's just going to stick out. She's a little bit bowed out on the sides because of the propane burner, but there we go. I just need to get a propane tank now. Try it out. Alright, as a moment of truth, this is where we find out if this is going to work or not. We lit. I know it works, I just gotta come outside when it's dark out and try it again so you can see the flame. Look at that pretty blue flame. Just fired it up for a little bit, and as you can tell, of course, the case is not heat-proof paint, which is to be expected. But I think it works all right. Still a little bit on the warm side. Need to find a way to maybe turn it down, maybe turn this orifice in or something. Would might possibly get the flame a little bit more orange instead of blue. I have to fart around with that at a later time. Doms, what are you doing? What are you doing, Doms? Where are you going? You going on your box? Your box on the table? Yeah. And then to your stairs? Because we got to take care of your hips. Because your hips are starting to get sore. I know, Doms. What are you doing? So going forward, I'm going to have to do some research. I'm not sure, because the flame is a little on the blue side, which is hot, and that may end up melting the case, like the metal, perhaps. I need to get it more yellow, and I'm not sure if I need to drill out the orifices in the burner, or there's a little orifice in the propane hole there. I know I can control it somewhat with this, but that's very limited as far as choking it off or letting more air in. And then with the regulator itself, I need to investigate further, but I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. Quick, easy, and dirty, and will come in handy when the fire bans come. And right now, it's motherfucking beer time. We got some Sneaky Weasel. Oh yeah. All right, cheers everybody. That's another project well done. I have some big news coming up. I'm not going to say anything just quite yet, but you're going to find out real soon. I hope it works out, because it's going to be a game changer, or a life changer for me for sure. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, yeah.